My name's Leanne and I work at Milton Upholstery Supplies and I'm the assistant manager. Being More Social has helped our business in a very good way with regards to social media and an online presence. I would say before Being More Social came, social media was a bit daunting. We had no idea what to do, and now we've got a lot more confidence. So Elliot was assigned as our digital guru. He's been really good. He's helped my confidence grow. We've actually won some awards due to how much reach we've had, so we've got a lot more followers on Instagram. Without him, I don't think our confidence and presence would be as good as it is. Some of the main important things since working with my guru that I've learned, I would say, is brand awareness. Before, the post would be really random, there would be no branding on there, so people would come across, say we sell furniture legs, they would just see this leg and have no idea where it's from. So brand awareness has been key to learn for us anyway. Since working with Being More Social, I would say one of the key results are our following. Instagram was very neglected. Since posting Organically, we've now grown from, I think, 400 followers when I started. We're now at over 1,000. If I was to describe Being More Social to anybody else, I would say it's a good avenue to go down. A lot of places you think, oh, help, it's going to be expensive. It's not, and the good thing is you do a lot yourself, so you're actually learning things rather than some companies take it off you and do it all, so you get the knowledge. The 90-day planning sessions, obviously we do them every quarter, absolutely amazing. I've taken on so much more knowledge. We've learned not just with Elliot, so you have help with Rick, and they've been getting other people to come in, and it's been so beneficial. Learned stuff I didn't even think I needed to know, which has helped. Piece of advice I'd give to somebody who wants to work with Being More Social: do it. You've got nothing to lose, a lot to gain, and for us, 100% beneficial.